In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Tenjin Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer any crypto asset between Robinhood and Tenjin. As long as you have a wallet set up on both of these services, you will be able to exchange the same asset between them. So, to initiate this transfer, I recommend going over to Robinhood first. Inside of Robinhood, you will be able to find the asset or the crypto that you want to transfer over and go to its page where you will see a lot of details about it. You will see the graph, you will be able to control a lot of aspects, and if you scroll down, you will see your position and most importantly, the two main options to send and receive this crypto asset. All that you have to do here is choose send to transfer the crypto from Robinhood to another wallet. So when you choose send, you will be able to specify the amount that you want to send over. You can either specify the amount in your local currency, such as US dollars, or you can specify the amount with the crypto itself. So for example, 1 Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, and so on. Then double check the asset that you will be sending over. If everything looks okay, you can go ahead and tap continue. Now the last step is going to be to include the address from your Tenjin wallet. So if you still need to acquire this, you can use the mobile app and in here tap on any of the assets that you have. When you tap on any asset, you will see the option to receive that asset. So choose receive and you will be presented with a QR code that you can use or the address itself that you can copy. You can choose whichever one you prefer. Either you scan the QR code with your camera or you copy the address and you paste it back there. So if you choose to copy it, you simply have to go back to this step and then paste the wallet address here. Immediately upon pasting it, you will be able to review the transaction and confirm. Be aware of any included fees, and I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that it is working properly. And if you notice that the small amount goes through, you can go ahead and finish sending the rest. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Tenjin Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.